Welcome to our guide on extracting menus from images using the Tap and Go dashboard. We'll walk you through the simple steps to efficiently extract and manage menu details, ensuring a seamless experience for your business. To begin, navigate to the Menu tab and click on the Extract Menu from Image button. This feature allows you to easily start the process of extracting menu details from an image, item names, item descriptions, and prices. Next, click on the space below Upload File to upload your menu image. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image onto the designated area for a quick upload. After uploading, click Upload to initiate the extraction process. The AI will analyze the image, extracting and categorizing the menu details into distinct sections and items. Once the extraction is complete, click on any section to view the detailed information. This allows you to verify the accuracy of the extracted menu items and make necessary adjustments. To finalize, click Confirm to import the extracted details into your menu. You can then view or modify these details within the menu sections as needed.